Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete WhatsApp group. The first thing you do is go to the group you created. Then you can see tap on 3 lines at the top right corner. You have the group info, group media, everything here, wallpaper. Tap on more. You have exit group, clear chat, expression, add shortcut. Now you can exit the group, but if you really want to delete it, just simply tap on the top here. Person's name, you can see some options here, and you can see exit group again. But we don't want to exit, we actually want to delete it. Tap on 3 dots at the top right corner, add members, change group name, group permissions. It seems the only way to delete a group is from the outside. You press down on it, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner, and somehow all I'm seeing is exit group. The members, let's remove the members. Let's tap on exit group. Yeah, it seems you have to exit the group first. And then you go back and then you delete it from here. Then you can see the option for delete. So delete group.